Hello guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. So based on your suggestions, once again Aimogen is improved, and today I'm proud to present that the chatbot is able to use different voices. So if you create different chatbots in the chatbot builder, you will be able to select and to set different AI voices for them, which is a highly requested feature from you guys. So let me show you this in action. So first of all, we will have to enable the chatbot voices from the text to speech or video tab from here, from the AI chatbot menu. And we, for example, set OpenAI text to speech. And now we will be able to ask the chatbot a question or set hi. And let me show you how it will respond.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
So it's a male voice. Now let's create a custom chatbot. This time let's select a persona, a female for example, but the voice needs to be selected separately. Keep this in mind, so you will be able to check in the latest version, override chatbot text to speech voice ID, and you will be able to select voice ID from here. So let's select Nova for example, because it's a female voice, and we will have the shortcode that creates this chatbot here on the top. So now let's copy this shortcode and let's go ahead and create a page for example, and let's use this shortcode in it. So Chat with Us already has an example shortcode, but now let's use this shortcode instead, which was presented and created by the plugin. And here it is, Ava, and let us say hi to Ava and let us see her voice.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
So you can see that Ava, the different chatbot, has different voice from the one which is the default chatbot Jenny. So I still need to change the name which is set here, because in the persona selector we set Jenny, and yeah, the avatar remained a male. But if we set here Bill or John for example, we can go ahead and save settings, and now the default chatbot is John, and if we say hi, he still has the default male voice.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Okay, so yeah, this is the latest update for Aimogen. You will be able to use different voices for different chatbots, as you can see. And yeah, if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments, because this feature was also suggested by you guys, so any suggestion is welcome. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and yeah, this is all for today. Bye bye.